We have fun with you.
Boom no longer Boom's no longer ESPN.
Soon, don't worry. Clock ticking.
Look, it's going to be that way.
Honey, are you okay?
Coaches do what players
Sorry.
do because they don't want to attach their name
Not
to it.
feeling
I know
good.
people say, well, you should attach your name to it. They got to attach his name to it. But they want to say the guy can't stand there every single day watching this quarterback. They know, okay? They know coming, they can't play. They're just saying, attach
You
your name
okay,
to it.
baby?
You know, sometimes you say something and then months later it comes to be true.
Sorry, you're not
When
feeling
I
good.
watched the situation
Oh,
when
you
they
like it.
acquired Tim Tebow, what did we say? What did I say? I said there's going to come a time where it's going to affect Mark Sanchez. He won't be able
Poor
to be
baby.
successful. When the Jets then continue to lose, there will be an outcry for Tim Tebow to come out and start. And the team that's watching him on a daily basis, which is the reason they said what they said, is going, we don't want to see him in. We don't want him to play. And now the coach is having to explain that. We said it months ago, and now it has come true. And if not,
Hi, baby.
what's the reason that he's not playing?
Oh,
I
Leo.
don't know who the starting quarterback should be, but I know it
You okay, baby girl?
Shouldn't be Mark Sanchez. He's thrown
It's okay.
1,708 balls in his career.
It's okay.
And you just don't see the growth that you need to
Just
see from a quarterback
relax.
that has played that much. Now, a real life example, critical situations, okay, go back to the Seattle game last year, 7-7 tie. They're going to score. Tony's